On behalf of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, I welcome you all to the Best HSD KMPL Awards presentation function. This award is a small step by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation to recognize the gigantic efforts of APSRTC towards the national cause of fuel conservation. This ceremony is a coming together of two great organizations of the nation, that is APSRTC and HPCL. APSRTC has come a long way since its inception in 1932 during the Nizam era to become one of the largest organizations of the world with more than 130,000 employees and approximately 25,000 buses. APSRTC today carries more than 1.3 crore commuters every day by the services of the educated driver community who strive day in and day out to save every penny of their corporation by saving fuel. In this process, they contribute to the national cause of saving fuel. HPCL, a Fortune 500 company and a world-class energy company with a strong presence in great land of Andhra Pradesh. HPCL has the only refinery in the state of AP, and with our Vizag-Vijayawada Hyderabad cross-country pipeline, we are dedicated in the service of our esteemed customers like APSRTC in AP and indeed in the service of our nation. APSRTC is the lifeline of AP and HPCL is proud to be associated with APSRTC. The strength of any relationship is tested during the most difficult times. Today, both APSRTC and HPCL are going through the most difficult time in their relationship because of the dual pricing of HSD. The problems have been compounded as the great land of AP is going through some social unrest, which immediately impacts the already fragile balance sheet of APSRTC. I am proud to state, in these most difficult times, we have tried to work together. We have tried to work shoulder to shoulder with APSRTC, and this function is a testimony to that. The great bond that HPCL shares with APSRTC cannot be rocked by the passing clouds of dual pricing, and I assure you that HPCL will not fail to support APSRTC in all their efforts to contribute to the cause of Andhra Pradesh and our nation.